Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I want to show you another one pot meal that I have. Now I'm just doing a small amount because it's just me and pot, but you can multiply this as much as you want for your family. So I've got my skillet here and I'm gonna go ahead and start heating it. And I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of oil. It's about all I've got left in this bottle. So we'll get it filled up. But I have some smoked sausage here. Y'all know we love the Conecuh sausage. And I'm gonna cut some of that up and I wanna get it cooked. Start cooking it and then we're gonna add some good stuff to it. You ready for some of this sausage?
I am.
Our Conecuh sausage.
I love Conecuh sausage.
We do, y'all, and you know it's made here in Alabama, and it's just a couple of hours away from us. Mm-hmm. And we've actually been, they have a store. We haven't been to where they make the sausage. You can't get in there, but we've been in the store, and they have some really neat things, and you can buy it. They'll ship to you. There we go. And let's put this in here. What we want to do is get this browning. And then we're going to add other things as we go along. And yeah, it's just going to be good. Going to be so good. You can use any kind of smoked sausage you want. We just love the Conecuh brand. And if you can get it where you live, you'll enjoy it if you've never had it. All right, so let's get that last of this cut up. Get in here. Y'all can get it turned around to cut it up. Can y'all hear that sizzling already? Doesn't take long for this skillet to get hot, does it? Okay, so let's put this right. We got to lose one, hadn't we?
Got one that ran away.
Got one that run away.
There it is.
All right, I'm going to get my spatula so we can stir them around, y'all. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Well, I thought I had my, I'll just sit it here. A little thing for my the spoon rest right there. But I don't. Can y'all see what I'm doing it all right here? Let's move this stuff. And I have a couple of potatoes that I'm going to cut up to go in this. And yeah, there's nothing better than cabbage. I'm going to put cabbage, potatoes, and sausages. It's so easy. It's a quick meal and something we love. Now I tell you all the time that you can have a lot of your ingredients prepped ahead, you know, like the night before, or if you've got time in the morning before you go to work or school, prep your ingredients, put them in the fridge. And you can prep your potatoes ahead of time. The only thing is you have to do is put them in some cold water and sit them in the refrigerator or they will turn dark on you. They'll still be fun, but they won't be appealing. Okay, so we just cubed those up. They're not huge, just on the smaller side. Will you stir that for me, Pop?
I will. I wonder if everybody in South Alabama and on the coast and Southeast Alabama and Georgia are ready for the snow. They say they're going to get it. We may get some. I doubt it. Weird when it's farther south than it is north.
Yeah, we haven't had a snow in a while. We need one. We can go up and visit Renee and Sean. Y'all getting enough snow? Okay, so this is looking good. All we want is a little bit of color. Oh, you found
I washed it.
the rest. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I washed it. You know, I bet it's neat on the beach. Got white sand, then snow on
And the
top
snow,
of it.
don't you know it would be?
Oh yeah, that'd be pretty.
Y'all see down in that? Good. I'm pretty sure you can.
Oh yeah.
So, okay, Pop, I think we're good there. Let's take those up.
Okay.
And we're going to put them right here in this pan. And then we're going to add potatoes and cook our potatoes in that oil where we cook that sausage. Get all that good flavor in it, y'all.
2 more to go. Watch this.
Okay, so just set that aside.
Okay.
There you go. And we'll put our potatoes in. Let's stir those around. There we go. And as these potatoes start to cook and soften up, they're going to come apart. You see them in like a big hunk, but they're cut through. So,
They're starting to come apart.
yeah. But we're going to stir these around. We're going to get a little color on them. Let me see if I can get this over a little bit more where you can see better. Okay, that's getting a little closer to you. And we're going to get them a little bit soft and a little bit color to them. Then I've got some cabbage. I've got a piece of a cabbage here that I had left over, and I didn't want it to go to waste. And I'm going to cut this up, and we're going to add it all together. And I've got a little bit of onion that we're going to add into this, but we're not going to add it right now because I don't want it browned. I want to still leave a little what I call integrity of the onion. I want to see if I can have it a little bit tender crisp if I can do it. So let us get this done, and we're going to come back and we're going to finish this meal up for y'all, okay? Okay, everybody, these potatoes are starting to get soft. So, getting a little bit of color on them. Can you see that? Looks good, don't they? Who don't like a fried potato? Okay, so I have got some onion. This is about a small, what amounts to a small onion, yeah. And this is some that I had left over in my refrigerator. And I didn't see wasting it and end up throwing it out. And y'all know, any unused onions I keep in the fridge, but we're going to use it. We're going to use it. Use what you have, okay? Now, let's stir that around. Now, y'all see I have not salt and peppered any of this. So, I'm going to saute this just a minute. I'm going to turn this back up a little bit. I had to turn it down because I covered it to let it steam through to get these potatoes. Now, when you put them in, don't put a lot of oil in your pan. Put a little bit and then put your lid on, and the moisture from the potatoes will come out in that oil, and it's going to steam, and it's going to cook and get the inside of that potato soft. You know, little bird just caught my eye. We've got a feeder that we, Miss Patchy and myself, watch right outside our window. It's gotten cold and the little birds are feeding like crazy. Okay, so next I have some cabbage. I had just a small piece of cabbage, which is more than enough. Puppy and I won't be able to eat all of this. So I'm going to put that cabbage in there, and I'm going to spread it out. Now here's where we're going to season, y'all. I've got, y'all know I like the caramelized onion kinders. Now I did put onion in there. This is just a different flavor. Maybe Pop will be back. He got a phone call, so he had to go take it. Let's put the, oh my goodness, y'all. again, I tell you, season to your taste. Season with your heart, I tell you. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt and some black pepper, y'all, because you can add more salt when you serve, you know, in the dish. See that? Now, what I want to do, because I want to get that cabbage done, and that piece didn't cut up very good, and it's okay if it didn't. I want to put a little bit of water in this pot, not much. I'm probably putting 1/4 of a cup. We're going to put the lid back on, trap all that steam in there. And we want to get that cabbage cooked through. We're going to put our sausage back in there. And y'all know we got to do it. Got to do it. We got to have some butter in this dish. So we're going to put a little bit of butter. But we're going to let this cook for just a minute before we do that. Okay, so it's quieting down. So I want to come in and I want to stir this up. And y'all, some of these cabbage leaves are already getting tender. It doesn't take long to cook cabbage. Okay, so let me get this cabbage cooked through. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish this up and we're going to give it a taste, okay? Yeah. These potatoes and cabbage has been cooking maybe 10 or 12 minutes. And they're getting tender. And this cabbage is getting done. These potatoes are looking beautiful. Looky there. Isn't that something? Now, I told y'all, I don't want you to be disappointed. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of butter in it. You know I was going to. I always put butter in my cabbage when I cook it, so might as well put it in here, right? Okay, so let's stir it around. Get that butter all over everything. Get it melted in there. This smells so good, y'all. So our our sausage that we cooked, that Pop cooked for us so beautifully, we're going to put right back in here. All we have to do is heat it up. And if there's any juice, anything that was left from those sausages, you put it right back in that pan, okay? Y'all, don't leave stuff like that behind because that's just flavor that has seeped out. Looky here. My goodness gracious. What a meal. And see, this has taken no time and no effort at all. And we've got one pot. We've got a delicious meal. And all I started with was 2 potatoes. Now I did have about a pound, might not have been quite a pound of smoked sausage, Kaneka smoked sausage, and that little piece of cabbage, and that was it. So we didn't waste anything. We used the cabbage, we used the potatoes that I needed to use up as well. And we've got a delicious meal. You know, it's not a lot of trouble to cook for your family. And it doesn't take a lot to cook a delicious meal. You can double these ingredients. And I would say, if I had to guess, there was like 2 medium potatoes altogether. And because one was a little bigger than the other. I'm going to say a pound of smoked sausage. And that was 3 cups, possibly 4 cups of cabbage that I cut up. I don't know that it was that much, about 3 cups. So a meal, me and him, we won't eat it all. We can eat on this twice at least or share with our neighbors. All right, so I'm going to put this lid on. I'm going to let this warm up the sausage for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to come back and we're going to dish this up a little bit, and we're going to try it, okay? Okay, y'all, this has been heating for a couple of minutes, so we're going to give it a try. Can you see all that steam coming off of it? Oh my goodness, y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And it's done. Let's get us out a bite. I'm just going to get a little bite so I can try it. And then I'll make sure Pop gets some. We'll have it for dinner. Looky there. Just a little bit. That's all I needed. Now that's delicious. It's hot. Let's try a bite of it all together because I didn't get a bite of the sausage. Come on with the cabbage on there. Gotta cool it off. Oh, that was absolutely like the perfect bite. Look in that pan. Don't you want some? That's delicious, y'all. And y'all know how much I love potatoes. I love cabbage and I love sausage. So I don't know if y'all love it as much as I do, but I sure hope you're going to give this a try. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and I hope you're going to give this a try. And I hope you're going to come back because I've enjoyed having all of you with me today. And I hope you'll like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. And y'all look for my cookbooks and look for this in the next one. Please come back and visit with us again soon. Thanks, everybody.